The brain is only about 2% of a person's body mass, but requires about 20% of its oxygen and calories. Origins of massage. Early physicians were able to use massage very effectively in the treatment of fatigue, illness, and injury. 5th century BCE, Hippocrates described anitrypsis, rubbing up. Ancient Greeks associated physical culture with the unfolding and mental and spiritual faculties, and set up massage schools in their belt centers of health gymnasiums. The origin of the word massage is not quite clear. There are several possibilities. Arabic word mas or mash, which means to press gently, touch, or feel. Latin massa, meaning lamp or body of matter. And the suffix aticum, meaning an act, process, or function. The literal interpretation of the word massage can therefore be described as the process of touching a body or matter. Ancient history. The earliest evidence of massage as both a sensual and caring activity is uncovered in cave paintings and wall drawings of ancient cave dwellers. These wall drawings and paintings show people massaging each other. Other artifacts contain traces of fats and oils mixed with herbs, which might suggest that lubricants have been used for massaging purposes. BC 2330, the tomb of Akhmanthor, also known as the tomb of Physician. In Saqqara, Egypt depicts two men having work done on their feet and hands, presumably massage. China. The study of massage can be tracked from as early as 3000 BC to today. Ancient Chinese artifacts record lists of massage movements with descriptions of their technique. One of the oldest books with reference to massage is the Kung Fu of the Tao Chi. It contains lists of medicinal plants, exercises, and massage techniques used to improve general health and well-being. This massage system incorporates certain pressure points located on the body. It forms the basis of Chinese acupuncture and acupressure as we know it today. Japan. The technique of applying pressure to certain points on the body spread from China to Japan. Japanese monks adopted and adopted massages techniques introducing new combinations of pressure points. This form of massage is now known as Shatsu. India. Ancient records show that the Hindus in India practiced massage as part of their hygiene routines as early as 1800 BC. The sacred book of Ayurveda, The Art of Life, describes how movements such as shampooing and rubbing were used to relieve tiredness and increase energy levels, to promote cleanliness and improve general health. Egypt and Persia. The Egyptians and Persians used massage for cosmetic as well as therapeutic effects. They mixed fats, oils, herbs, and resins for care of the skin and beautifying the body and face. Pots and jars containing such creams have been found in Egyptian tombs. Much has been written about Cleopatra, 69 BC to 30 BC, bathing in milk and being massaged with aromatic oils and creams by her by handmaidens. The practice of massage spread from the East into Europe, where it was well established by 500 BC. Greece. The Greeks placed great emphasis on the physical fitness. They developed many rituals that involve bathing, massage, exercise, and dance for both men and women. Massage was used extensively for the preparation of sportsmen, gladiators, and soldiers. It was also used after sporting events and battle to aid healing and relaxation.